morning everyone. We are all representing Team Spire and we are going to present our group discussion on our topic Clean India. Attitude change is more important than the moment. When we talk about Clean India, first we recollect the machine which was implemented by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the occasion of 145th birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. This mission is nothing but Swachh Bharat. This mission has a main goal of developing our country by the year 2019.
Friends, we all know that in this Clean India movement, many celebrities have been trying to clean the streets. We all appreciated them, but we did not follow. So everyone should to involve everyone. Everyone's attitude should be changed. So the main thing to Clean India is attitude change.
Yes, Dattatrishya, you said well. Everyone is not participated because they doesn't know the importance of this Swachh Bharat, because they know the merits, but they don't know the what will happen if we doesn't clean our surroundings. So we must create awareness on this so that they can everyone can participate.
Yes, first of all, we have to clean our surroundings. Then only we can develop our country.
Mission of motto is Narendra Modi initiated this and took 9 celebrities, and he said the mission is the change should be followed. The 9 members should again select another 9 members and take the mission on the way.
After this mission was introduced in Delhi, some villages are well developed, and drop and drop makes a river. If every drop have some perfect value to flow a river, but in every citizen attitude is more different. What can I do alone?
In some cities, you see, the ambient are built so that the people causing some diseases. If we put the ambience outside of the cities, we can make the disease was increasing.
Yes, I agree with you on this. When we go to Vizianagaram, first of all, they construct new dump yard near Govindapuram, old dump yard near some school, I think near Ring Road. It may causes diseases to those people who are living around the dump yard. So we must construct those dump yards outside the cities so that we can aware some of the problems.
Yes, we are regularly sees that so much of waste is putting up pieces of houses only. This is not right way. We have to put in a dustbin to keep our surroundings clean.
When our surroundings are clean, our attitude is clean. Cleanliness is the other name of godliness.
Yes, I am agreeing with you, but see now, nowadays India is not clean. They are spitting at everywhere.
Another example what I would like to say is all the Indians consider Ganga river as a holy river, right? But there are many dead bodies and many wastages present in this river. This is their belief is that the river is holy, but actually it is not at all clean. So this example may be perfect for telling that Indian people are hesitating to do particular job.
Now, Uday wants to speak.
Just wasting money. Like, must not spit on the roads. Must not spit on the roads, no any wastage or any particles. So better they use a proper awareness and create proper awareness among everyone, each and everyone, so that we can change our attitude and towards the way.
I recently collected the news in the agency area. Some people stuff the bones of animals. The bones regain oil from the food. They are regained oil from the bone. The oil causes unknown diseases like malaria. These are the private vehicles are don't have proper awareness in this.
Yes, well said, Saeed. The news I also watched the news. The near Kumalakshmipur, I think, they left the ox bones. So they are not civilized. So they doesn't know what will happen if they are continuously happens like that. So we must create awareness on this.
Yes, I think one cannot do this mission. Everyone should participate in this mission.
Sunday we have make a proper awareness on this. So weekly once we have to clean our vehicles. So they were using every weekend. All the vehicles they are replacing that business was water. So they are just carrying the carry bags with them. Each and every individual participating with that. So they are cleaning the activities.
Government is also decided to take the sanitation problems, and in small villages there should be no problems like sanitation, water problems, etc.
Yes, we have to create awareness among ourselves first of all. Then villages, we should not use the plastics. Then we can develop our country as the.
And uses of bathrooms is also introduced by Modi. We have to stop the uneven activities outside. It may causes it may spoils the atmosphere also.
Cutting the trees. So that also
Yes, as I agree with you, mainly due to the deforestation only, so many diseases and so many wastes are occurring in our country.
Friends, I think the attitude change is not only the single case to cleaning here, but government has also should take some steps. Can anyone suggest some steps?
Awareness
Providing
programs.
education to illiterate people.
Awareness programs.
Yes, the main thing is awareness.
We have to motivate them two sides. One time positiveness, at the same time negative also. If Swachh Bharat was not happens, what will going to happen? So we must say the both positive and negative impacts on this.
India is said to be still a developing country. If we should have, each and everyone should have a goal to keep our India to be at the topmost position in our cleanliness and all. It should be called as India is a developed country.
Actually, they must clean their houses. Their own houses. They must put the waste on so that they can get proper awareness.
Yes, the change will come from first of all our individuals, then only we can develop our surroundings also.
Here, attitude change is sometimes we clean our homes and surroundings, but we left those waste in neighbors surroundings, neighbors place. So so that we must stop these things, such things.
In spite of all this, we can provide keep a place outskirts of the village or our place so that that should not cause to our surroundings.
The municipality corporation should take care of this.
Let's see daily, so we waste the water in our surroundings. First of all, we want to save the water and save the earth also. Everyone was
Here we are saying those who are cleaning the city, like TVMs, people, all this. Japan, they will call as helping in this, but known as helping in this. They will clean the city, yes, they are having proper various. As previous Dinesh said that everyone is thinking what can I do around. So to change everyone, we have to say in favor of that person, because every person is not equally thinking everything and in the opinion view. So someone should initiate and others will also do by inspiring these people.
So finally, what we are going to say is we must create awareness on Swachh Bharat. At the same time, we make them into action. Not only creating awareness, and we set the good factors. What is the positive and what is negative. We are always bothering about positiveness means near 2050, India will be like this, India will be like that. But no one can think if this vaccine was not applicable, what will happen? So we must create awareness on the negative factors also, so that everyone can participate, everyone can take lead. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Thank you one and all here. Actually, what happened with your discussion is, it was really good. To some extent, it was lively. Majority of the time, it was passive. But the initiation, I felt that you have recited something about clean India. You have read something somewhere and you started reciting the same. It was not like your idea or the way you have initiated was not at all apt. You are supposed to check the initiation. And coming to the next part, your discussion time. You have taken the discussion time, but few people have left statements and declarations. Did not try to coordinate and relate. When it comes to that, I can talk about this girl. She was speaking, giving some statements and declarations, but she did not try to elaborate on her ideas. Okay? And coming to the positive side of your discussion is, candidate 1 and candidate 4, they have taken good initiation to relate on others' points, to coordinate the discussion. It was really very good with them. And I just wanted to tell the candidate 3, you were really very good with the content, but when it comes to delivery of your ideas or expressing your ideas, you are a little poor. You're supposed to improve on that area. And you were very confident. You have coordinated the discussion and it went on well. And coming to that is candidate 5, what happened is, you don't have confidence. You are unable to express yourself because you are not having confidence. Lack of confidence is pulling you back. Okay, and coming to candidate 6, you are struggling a lot. You have lots of hesitation to involve in the discussion and proceed to the discussion. And coming to candidate 7, I didn't find that you have taken initiation to involve in the discussion. I didn't find any of the signs. And the same with candidate 8. You have language barrier and you don't have content with you where you do not involve yourself in the discussion. And 40, that is candidate 9. You spoke something, but you did not make an eye contact with anybody here. You were just looking onto the roof and started speaking. That was you're supposed to improve on that area. And I've already mentioned, right? You have content, but the thing is, you're unable to express. You never give statements or declarations, try to elaborate on your ideas. That is all. Overall, the discussion was moderate, not good. Okay? Thank you.
Great. So